Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am mrbobvin or Malika, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to hike to the Hollywood sign. It is 6:24 right now. I'm going to be working on this project that I started last night, and it's gonna be shorts. It's gonna be shorts, but I just finished my knit pants, so using this project I'm going to actually make a tutorial on how to knit pants. That'll be my next video, so I'm going to use this as the tutorial project piece since I literally already completed the pants. I'm going to show you guys how to do it on this project, and that's really it. We hiked to the Hollywood sign 2 years ago in 2021. And now we're doing it again finally. I just had the hiking bug and I just wanted to hike again. So now we're doing it and I'll update you guys along the way. Let's get it. Okay guys, we have started the hike. It is 7:51 right now. And we will see how long it takes us to get to the top. I'm assuming 7:51, 7. I'm thinking maybe by 10 a.m. we'll be able to. We'll reach it to the top by 10, and yeah, let's get it.
It's cold.
And everyone else.
Walk forward. Oh yeah.
Guys, oh yeah, we're tired. We're like,
we barely started. Are we even? We're not even a mile in.
We're 13 minutes into the walk, and we're tired. My mom and Joey already stopped.
Where are they? That's them right there. Yes. Kalila and our dad, as usual. How do we have to? Anyway,
it's gonna be a journey.
Yeah. See ya.
Bye. Okay, guys, we are headed downhill now, which is so much better than going up. So we're coasting right now. Keela's in the back. We're actually catching up to Kalila. We are 38 minutes into the walk right now, and I don't know if we're gonna make it to there at like 10 even at the rate we're walking. I'm not sure. We'll see though. We stopped like a million times already, Kahila and I. Like, bro, this isn't for the weak. Then it smells like doo-doo right now. Try not to gag. Oh god, I gagged. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm good now. Anyway, so we're doing this. I'm feeling good now that we're coasting down. And I'll give you guys an update later. Bye! Okay guys, we are an hour into the walk and we're actually almost there. I don't know why I thought it would take 3 hours. My stuff is dusty.
I'm ready to be.
I don't know why I thought it would take 3 hours, but it's literally been 63 minutes. And my dad already made it up. He took a picture. And we're close. So we're gonna get home sooner than I thought. Anyway, that's Kalila back there. Anyway, Kalila. And our mom and Joey, they're still...
Oh, I was like, they're right there?
No,
right?
They're still struggling to get up here. We're good though. Then I'll do some knitting when we get to the top. And then we'll head back down. Oh, but going down is easier because it's like downhill, so you're like coasting, which is cool. So that's not gonna be a problem. Anyway, gotta focus. Over and out. Made it. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. That didn't take long at all. An hour and 10 minutes? Nothing. So I'm gonna pause this for now. Now I'm gonna chill and knit a little bit. And then we'll head back down like I said. Okay guys, so we rested. The sign is right there. We rested and ate a little bit, got some knitting footage, and now we're headed back down. We're packing up the chairs and everything, and it should be like an easy hike down. Should be like the same time or maybe faster. We'll see. Oh, it's 9:29, so we made it way before 10 p.m. obviously, since it only took an hour and 10 minutes. And yeah, enjoyed the hike back. Okay guys, we are finally back in the car. My legs are jelly. Oh my gosh, I have petroleum jelly because my nose was so dry. I had to put it right here. Oh my gosh, my legs. It's like my thigh sockets are just gone. But we're finally headed home. My shoulders are, I feel everything in my shoulders because of my backpack. It wasn't heavy, it's just extra weight. I feel good to sit down. It finally feels good to sit down. So the total walk was actually 2 hours, which was crazy because I have no idea why I thought it would be 3 hours. I think that's how long it took last time, so that's what I was calculating. And
We were newbies.
we were newbies, so that's why it took so long. Anyway, I'm just happy to be in a car. Did I say it took 5 miles? I mean, it was a 5-mile hike, 5.2 miles total, 2 hours and 1 minute and 29 seconds, which is really, really good because I really thought it would take like 6 hours, which is insane. Like, why would it take that long? Anyway, I'm excited to get home to my cats, then chill, relax, and knit, so I can get started on this tutorial for the knit pants. I just realized this is the end. I literally have nothing else to show you guys. I mean, we're gonna get home, so that's really it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!